Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites quickly. Charge the watch above 50% and keep the paired phone nearby. Once done, open the companion app and check for updates. You need matching firmware to avoid sync errors. Next, back up your current watch face and settings so you can revert if something breaks. Now you're ready to pick a wallpaper. Choose an image sized or cropped for your watch resolution to prevent stretching and unexpected auto crops. You'll now apply and sync the wallpaper. Import or select the image in the companion app's wallpaper tool and crop to the watch's native resolution or aspect ratio so it displays sharply. Then adjust position, brightness, and any overlays. This prevents auto-recoloring or scaling by the watch. Start the sync and wait for the progress indicator to finish. Make sure Bluetooth remains connected and your phone stays unlocked until the app confirms completion to avoid partial transfers or corrupted images. You finish by setting the new image as the default wallpaper, then test watch faces, widgets, and glance legibility to ensure numbers and complications remain visible. Once satisfied, enable Cloud Sync or an automatic backup in the app to preserve changes across resets. If things go wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Restart both phone and watch, then reapply the wallpaper. If issues persist, clear the companion app cache.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.